Hey, so I've just been taking some pictures right here in my terrace because I want to make a video about a sort of diet that I have been following. It's not really a diet, I was forced to follow it for health reasons, and it's basically a puree diet. So you blend everything you eat. Now that has kind of dictated what I was eating because there's stuff that you don't want to be blending, like pieces of chicken. So I've been eating mostly a lot of fruit. I've been making a lot of soups, and I want to share with you what I've been doing because, to be honest, my tummy looks amazing, and just the whole of my body looks very lean. So I'm onto something. If anything, this has been a really good experience. And don't get me wrong, this has been mentally so challenging, but I've learned how to make creams, which I never used to, and I've learned to make it easy, and that it's possible actually. If you want to do a cleanse and you want to eat only or have only shakes and blends, then you can. So I'm here to show you what you can achieve and how to do it. So I'm gonna give you some ideas of stuff that I've been doing that was fairly easy, didn't need a lot of prep. I literally just cut some vegetables and put them in a pan. That's usually what I do, maybe with some, how do you call it, just olive oil and garlic and maybe some onion. It's good to have onion if you're gonna be making soups. It's really good flavor. And then you can be super lean for the summer. I'm gonna make a bit of a modeling video for you now.